Imagine you're deep into a long gaming session. Everything is intense, everything is clicking, and you're completely locked into the moment. Or maybe you're working on a heavy workstation project, editing 4K footage, running a complex render, or multitasking between dozens of applications. Your system is pushing itself, your components are firing at full force, and then suddenly, out of nowhere, everything freezes. Your screen stutters, your audio cuts out, or your PC abruptly shuts down. Nothing kills momentum faster than a system failure. And the most frustrating part: the issue often isn't your graphics card. It's not your processor. It's not your RAM. It's not even heat. The real culprit is something people rarely think about: an underperforming, outdated, or unstable power supply. A lot of users rely on standard or budget power supplies, believing that wattage alone determines performance. They think, if the number is high enough, it'll work, but wattage is only a fraction of the story. Standard PSUs may offer enough power on paper, but they often fail in consistency, efficiency, and intelligent delivery, three things that matter far more during real-world usage. That's why so many PC builders end up dealing with system hiccups they don't understand. Random shutdowns. Voltage drops. Screen flickers under load. GPUs failing to boost properly. CPUs stuck at lower clock speeds. And perhaps the most common symptom of all, those unexpected stutters and micro freezes that happen right when your system pulls more power. So why do traditional, inexpensive, or older PSUs fall short? Because most of them aren't built to handle the intense, sudden power demands of modern hardware. Today's graphics cards can shift from low power to high power in an instant. CPUs can spike workloads without warning. If your PSU can't adjust instantly and accurately, your entire system suffers. On top of that, older or basic power supplies tend to run hotter. They waste energy. They struggle to maintain stable voltage rails. And over time, this constant instability wears down your components, shortening their lifespan and increasing the risk of failure. Think about it like this: your power supply is the heart of your computer. If the heart can't deliver consistent blood flow, the entire body suffers. The same is true for your PC. Consistent, stable, efficient power delivery is the difference between a smooth, powerful system and a constantly unreliable one. But now, imagine something better. Imagine a power supply built with advanced intelligence, one that automatically adapts to your system's demands in real time. Instead of simply pushing out electricity, this PSU communicates with your components, adjusting power output instantly and keeping everything running at peak performance. Picture a PSU engineered with cutting-edge technology that guarantees ultra-stable voltage, even under the heaviest GPU loads. Instead of voltage dips, you get smooth performance. Instead of overheating, you get cool, efficient operation. Instead of guesswork, you get precise, reliable power delivery that protects your components and lets them perform exactly as they were designed to. And it's not just performance, it's design, functionality, and build quality. An advanced PSU features premium components, optimized circuitry, and intelligent cooling that actually enhances airflow throughout your case. The improved internal layout doesn't just keep the PSU cool. It reduces overall system heat, benefiting every component inside your build. Cable management becomes easier with fully modular cables. You only plug in what you need. Your case stays clean, your airflow improves, and your system looks professionally built. No more cable clutter, no more unnecessary wires blocking fans or limiting cooling. This type of power supply gives you something traditional PSUs simply can't: confidence. Confidence that your PC won't crash in the middle of a match. Confidence that your GPU will run at maximum boost without interruptions. Confidence that your components are protected from power spikes. Confidence that your expensive hardware isn't being held back by an outdated foundation. And that brings us to one of the most advanced, reliable, and beautifully engineered power supplies available today, the ASUS ROG Thor 1200W Platinum III PSU. This is not a basic PSU. It's a premium, high-end powerhouse designed for gaming rigs, workstations, and anyone who wants the absolute best performance without compromise. It features 1200W of future-proof headroom for even the most demanding GPUs. Platinum-rated efficiency to reduce heat and waste. Exceptional real-time power monitoring right on the PSU itself. Top-tier internal cooling with advanced engineering from the ROG lineup. Optimized low-noise operation, even under high workloads. Fully modular design to simplify your build and enhance airflow. Gamers, streamers, and content creators rely on it because it delivers stability, efficiency, and performance that cheaper PSUs simply can't match. It's already helping thousands of users eliminate crashes, improve system performance, and protect their hardware. If you're ready to stop guessing, stop dealing with random issues, and finally build a system that performs at its peak, you'll find the link right below this video. Check out the ASUS ROG Thor 1200W Platinum III PSU, and see how upgrading your power supply can transform your entire PC experience.